Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to have few points with respect to the recent capture of Afghanistan by Taliban. How this is going to affect our market and global market. So, before going to in detail about the points related to the stock market investment as well as trading, both equity and F&O. I would like to express few points about our trading tips platform, which are operated in WhatsApp by Bull Street. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms. One is the super funds option, in which we give trading tips in stock options for low budget trading. Low budget trading means, I mean to say that working capital around 10k and above is sufficient to have two or three large and option trading, both positional intraday basis. But we are not stick on to intraday basis. We will track to the stock to the maximum possible benefit. So the entry and target prices will be given in the trading tips through WhatsApp in live market. The subscription to join Superfans option is 799 per month. And another one is Superfans equity. This is for people who are having sufficient amount of working capital in lakhs or some 50k and around. But people who don't want to take risk at all, people who are hesitant to trade in F&O segment, they can subscribe to the super funds equity, in which they give two kinds of calls. One is highly speculative trading tips. Trading scripts will be recommended with the entry and target in live market. Along with this, we also give investment based calls in equity segment, entry and target. So investment based calls may be given in the live market as well as off the market. The subscription to join this super funds equity is 799 per month. And another one is recently launched, a highly successful trading tips platform is known as Superfans Penny. Superfans Penny is nothing but we give stock recommendations in the price range of 5 rupees to 20 rupees, sometimes rarely up to 30 rupees. These stocks are need not be tradable. These stocks can be invested and bought and invested for few years. The subscription to join Superfans Penny is 799 per month. You can remit the subscription by GPay or PhonePe or Amazon Pay or Paytm to our WhatsApp number. We have only one WhatsApp number. We have only one Bull Street. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So you can remit the subscription and you can join immediately to get trading tips. Okay, now we go to the video. With respect to the recent what to call the stalemate happened in Afghanistan because of the Taliban's captured the country. This will be a greatest threat to US and Pakistan. See, if there is any adverse situation happened in 1975 in Vietnam, such kind of adverse situation happened. If it will happen to US this time, this will have a great discomfort and great setback in the US government as well as US equity market, which will spread among the other countries like us also. See, I feel that most of the frontline stocks will be corrected, and most of the stocks which are having direct exposure to US will be corrected, like pharma sector and other capital goods stocks. And straight away we can say that the stock like Infosys will be corrected. It may be corrected about 30 to 35%. And another stock I would like to mention here is BHEL. BHEL is already individually corrected stock. If the stock is corrected based on the geopolitical unrest, even this will stock may not hesitate to go below or around 45 level. If the stock BHEL touches 45 rupees, it is a very good opportunity, because in few years it will reach to 90 rupees, and it may even go beyond 1 or 2 rupees level. And other stocks are related to pharma and oil sectors, but I will post a separate video on pharma sector with respect to this geopolitical tension, and oil stocks with respect to the geopolitical tension in forthcoming videos. So this is an initial climate study. We cannot predict much more on this news. We cannot speculate this news immediately in the market, but we expect most of the FII and foreign players will take away the money from US and other foreign countries, and they will park their money in investment and trading, and they will feel that India is the safest. India's equity market is the safest market, so we expect more money is on the way. If more money comes from foreign players, the Nifty will go beyond the 18,500 level. So I personally feel that very highly tradable opportunity will be available from the rest of the days in August up to November for option traders, particularly stock option traders. We are not directly concerned with Nifty and Bank Nifty traders. It is always the giving opportunity, because since it is a weekly option products. And with respect to equity market, wait and watch for most of the frontline stocks will be for a correction about 30 to 35%. I said Infosys and BHL, and there are other stocks also. I'll put separate video on this expected correction in equity stocks. So this is about the initial news about the capture of Afghanistan by Taliban with respect to equity market. So please subscribe to Superfans Option or Superfans Penny or Superfans Equity. Enhance your profits. Make yourself comfortable to make consistent profits. Right. Thank you very much. I'm Vijay.